today. It's so cold. My spring twist afro and the puffy shirt. First of all, I jacked that wig up. That was not the intention for that wig.
It's kind of small. Hold up. I mean, for what I'm doing, it should be okay though. But it is kind of on the smaller side.
Yeah, it's not okay. For me, it's kind of okay because my hairline goes all the way back there because I come from a big forehead family. But no, it's just not because it doesn't stay on your head. It's really hard to keep on your head.
No, is that a comb? Yeah, there's a comb up here. And is there a comb back here? Yep, there's a comb back here and a comb up there. And I got the two straps, but this really is small. Very small. Alright. Well, I need to fix that. Yeah, so this is the clown wig that I've created out of that shit. But bear with me. I'm gonna pull it all out.
So the plan was to pull it out like I did with this wig because I cut these spring twists in half instead of leaving them whole like when I installed this one and this one. Doing all that pulling was exhausting and I wasn't liking how it was turning out. So yeah, I went straight to getting the scissors. And that became a whole thing because it didn't get better. Yeah, I don't know why I started twisting it, but I think I was going to try and twist it up. And I mean, I was twisting some of them. I don't know why I was doing it. But then I started cutting again, so it didn't matter. It's so crazy because I think it actually would have turned out really nice had I just kept going the course, but I got so impatient. And then I cut the bang too short. And that was the whole thing.
Let's not talk about what happened with this wig. Hold up. Let's find a way to make it better. Odd. This is odd. Went a little scissor happy. Oh, look at you, a little spiraler. I look all dusty because yeah. It's early in the morning. Okay. And anyway, yeah, I jacked this wig up. So what happened was I cut it like a crazy person, and then I was like, "What am I gonna do with this? It looks so." Oh my god! But yeah, this is my failure. This is my failure wig creation. The last one I made, which I'm gonna put a picture, was so cute, and this one is not it. But I'm gonna try. I'm gonna try and shape it into, I don't know, some cat ears type thing right there. And a cat ears type thing right there. Whoop. Pull you up. Whoop. Okay. I don't know. It's a wacky, crazy wig, but I'm gonna try and style it and try and get this bang to stay down.
After dealing with that situation, I went and made me a Buffy shirt. I got those tank tops for 50 cents. Wasn't bad.
Can't exactly show how this wig looks in this lighting because the curtains are green and they create a hue. Oh, look at that. Okay, now I fix that. This hair is crazy, but apparently people like it. I have gotten 3 compliments today outside in the world with this hair. So it isn't bad to some people. It's just really different to me. And yeah, I jacked this wig the fuck up. But yeah, I got compliments on this Buffy shirt too. Making waves. Yeah. And what's happening there? Yeah. So it's not that bad. It isn't terrible. Yeah, I kind of made this look not terrible. It looks like a crazy person's wig, but what am I? I'm trying to get rid of some of this green light so you can see the actual color. It's a blue. It's a blue. It's taking me a lot to get this stupid front to stay down. Cute. And I have my little Buffy shirt on. I could have made this a 10 smaller, but I actually had a skirt I was wearing. Can't even debate on whether I was going to wear the skirt or. See. Okay, so this is with the skirt. Like I said, this bang is not trying to be my friend. Skirt. And that might have been slippers. Oh my god, these slippers are so cute. I mean, they're probably dark hair now, but they are so cute. They are little doggies. I've been wearing it for days, so they're kind of dusty. I got them off Amazon. Little fox. Is that better? Oh, that's better. That's better. Oh, the light changes. So, like, more like the barking. Oh, it's a cute outfit today. Hi, baby. Hi, baby. Hi, baby. Oh, big boy. Hi. Yes. Okay. Hi, girl. Hello. Hello, hello, hello. Everybody wants loving. Hello, hello, hello. Hello, baby. Okay. I know more love. Look at my face. Hi, Baer Bear. Hi. Mm-hmm. Hi. Oh no, I started something. I'm about to go eat though, buddy. Yes. Mm-hmm. About to go eat. Oh. Okay. I'm hungry. Me and this dang bang. Me and this dang bang. Oh no! Try to rub your fur up on my lips. You're gonna cause me to break out. Yep. Mm-hmm. Your silky body. Yeah, we're gonna keep with this cat food because you was shining. That other cat food was making you look dry. You gotta stop eating plastic and stuff because it's on your face. You are gorgeous. Wait a minute. Wait a minute. Hold on. Whoa! Okay, this is the best cat food. Look at this. Oh my god. Alright, guys. I can't do anymore. There. Can't do any more love. Okay? I can't do anymore.